Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to explain how you can apply for a study permit to study in Canada. First off, what is a study permit? It's a document that lets international students study at designated learning institutions in Canada. It's not a visa, but you need it to stay and study legally. To be eligible, you need an acceptance letter from a recognized Canadian school, proof of funds for tuition and living expenses, and a clean criminal record. Next, gather your documents. Acceptance letter, valid passport, proof of financial support, passport photos, and a letter explaining your study plan. Now apply online at the official IRCC website. It's faster and easier to track your application. Most applicants need to provide biometrics at a visa application center after applying. You might also need a medical exam from an approved physician depending on your situation. Finally, wait for processing. It usually takes a few weeks, and you can check your status online. Remember, honesty is key. Any false info can lead to refusal. So, get accepted, prepare your documents, apply online, and wait. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe.